Hey there. How are you?
All right.
Just all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Should your driver's license? There's your wallet right there between your legs.
A little bit nervous.
Our first case revolves around a seemingly routine DUI stop that quickly escalated into a horrifying discovery. Meet 41-year-old Jeremy, a man driving under the influence with 6 minors in his car.
So was I. The way you're driving, at times, you went all the way from lane number 1 all the way over. Didn't use a signal, had problems keeping your vehicle in one lane. And then you took that curve way too fast.
I did. I'm sorry.
I thought you were gonna crash.
The officers, expecting a standard DUI, were taken aback when they discovered the presence of 6 terrified children in Jeremy's vehicle. The situation quickly unraveled as Jeremy attempted to downplay the seriousness of the situation.
Okay, and then you have a bunch of kids in the car. How many kids? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who are these kids to you?
This is my friend.
Our first case
Finally,
revolves
the
around a
accused was
seemingly
arrested
routine.
and the victim got justice.